This is crazy. This is major breaking immigration news. This was just announced on the USCIS website. No more green cards in the US. So USCIS is pushing that even if you're married to a US citizen and you entered on a visa, you cannot get a green card in the United States unless it's an extraordinary circumstance. So what does that mean? That means that even if you came here on a student visa, a tourist visa, or some sort of legal entry, you're now married to a US citizen, you're gonna have to leave the United States, go to the US consulate in your country or a neighboring country to then come back on the visa to then get the green card. This is completely different from the way it's always been done for decades. There's also statutes that allow people to adjust status in the US. So a USCIS policy can't exactly undo a statute. So I'm sure there's gonna be lots of pending litigation incoming very soon, but this is a major, major change. Because the other issue too is that even if someone came in on like a student visa or a tourist visa and they overstayed the visa, now they're married to a US citizen, they're waiting for their green card, well, they've been accruing unlawful presence ever since that visa ended. So that means once they have to leave to go to the US consulate, they're gonna trigger certain bars. And now they may need waivers, and it creates much more complicated issues for a lot of people. And it's not just marriage. This applies to apparently any means of getting a green card in the US. They wanna push it back to the US consulate and have you go to like the National Visa Center outside the US. So this isn't actually insane. Couldn't believe it. I looked it up. It's on their website. It's real. So if you have questions about this, which we all do, I don't really know how they're going to implement this yet, but you can use the link in my bio to schedule a consultation. I'd be more than happy to discuss your case with you.